you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today I'll be showing you how to cook chicken wings my style. I'll be making honey soy garlic, mustard and garlic, and buffalo wings. And guess what? They'll be gluten-free as well. So let's go and I'll show you how. Okay, now I'm going to do the first step, and I'm going to show you how to cut the chicken wings. And you cut the niblet and the middle part off. So you get your knife, your sharp knife, and you slice right through like that. And you do the other bit and right through like that. And then you put them to the side. And then I'll show you one more. So we just get it, cut it right through. It should just slide on easily like that. And like that.
Just show you how to cut these chicken wings. Unlike my wife who just butchered a few. So just cut through that one. There's one bit. Cut through the wing. That's how you do it. Not like old wife hacking it up deep. Hey Lando?
Yeah, but be careful, don't cut your hand off.
I won't cut my hand off. And like that. Perfect.
And then put this to the side, and then I get another one and cut, and it slides right through that cartilage. Put that there, and right through again, and voila. So we put it all to the side, and I'll continue cutting these, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay. For the very next step, I am going to coat the chicken wings in some potato starch, and I'm going to get a little bit of white pepper and some dahl curry mix, and I'm just going to put it a little bit in. And with the potato starch, it's going to make these chicken wings extra crunchy and delicious. So I'm just going to mix that in with my hand, like so. Okay. So I get chicken wing and I grab it and I roll it in the flour, potato starch mix, and I like crunch it so it's really in there. The flour is really coated well on the chicken wing. Trust me, these are going to be delicious and crunchy. Okay, there's one, so we've got that. Okay, I'm just going to do it again, and I'm going to do the coating. So I'm going to coat all these, and I'm going to have all the ingredients in the description box below. So don't worry, you'll have the recipe, and I'll just keep doing this. Keep coating them and rolling them. Okay, so I have now coated all my chicken wings. I'm going to double fry them. So I'm going to do them for 6 minutes, take them out of the fryer for 1 minute, and then put them back in the fryer for 6 minutes. The reason why I do that is because I like them nice and cooked on the inside and crunchy on the outside, and they'll be super juicy and delicious. Okay, so I'll show you that step now. Alright, so now I'm going to fry these. I'm going to double fry them, like I said, for 6 minutes, out for a minute, and in for another 6 minutes. So this is going to be the first 6 minutes. So you don't want to overcrowd the fryer. You only want to put in enough so there's enough room for all the other chicken wings in there to cook properly. Because if you overcrowd the oil, it's going to lower the temperature and the chicken wings won't cook as fast. Okay, and like so. And I just drop them in, and I just check how many I've got in there. And I think I can put 2 more in there. And now I'm going to wait for 6 minutes. Okay, now I'm taking it out for 1 minute, and then I'm going to put it in for another 6 minutes. So now in these fry pans I have garlic and oil in each of them, and in the first one it's going to be the mustard and soy and garlic one. So I'm just waiting for the garlic to brown in both of them. And in this one, it's going to be honey, soy and garlic. And then in this container, sorry, in this saucepan, I have got sugar, vinegar and this hot sauce. Both ready to roll. I'm going to pour both of these in. Okay. Now the chicken wings have been cooked. I've separated them into 3 different fry pans, into the honey soy. This one's the garlic and mustard, and this one's the buffalo. And I'm quickly going to give them a toss in the Okay, since it's been in the sauce thickens and goes nice and sticky. I'm just waiting for it to go a little bit more sticky, and then voila, there you go. Okay. Okay, so now we're ready to eat and they're all ready to go. So I'm just going to put some sesame seeds on the top for decoration. And there's the buffalo wings. And I'm just going to taste one and let you know how it tastes. Mmm, delicious. Mmm, yum. Now if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Bye! Yum.